How to change phone number on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Make sure you're logged into that account that you have associated over here on your Google. So simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and here select on Manage your Google account. As you do that, select on the personal info. Now simply scroll down and tap on the option of phone over here. So when you do that, you can simply tap on it and it will land us to a new page getting or giving you the option to change it by simply tapping on the phone number again. And as you tap on the number, so you can just have it changed by deleting this or just tap on the pencil icon, and here you can just tap on update number and change it to your desired phone number. So that's how you change your phone number on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.